In this tutorial, we'll review the daily pickup process with CurbSmart using the one release method. The one release method simply means that a student will be released once by the inside admin to be considered released from school. With this method, there are two types of release coordinators. The entry admin is the person who will be entering placard numbers on her phone or tablet as parents arrive in the car line. This is typically handled by one or two people who are walking the car line. The second type of release coordinator is the inside admin. Inside admins are the people who are with the students, either in a holding area like the cafeteria or gym, or in hallways or classrooms. As placards are entered by the entry admin, student names will appear in the inside admin's view. As the students appear in the view, the inside admins are responsible for releasing the students from their location, which considers them to be released from school. Note that these users can have filters applied to their view so that they will only see the students that belong to their classroom, grade, etc. Now that we've reviewed the types of release coordinators, let's begin a typical release process. At the start of the release process, one of the users, typically the entry admin, will click the Begin Release button. This starts the timer for the release process. The entry admin will then enter placard numbers as they walk the car line. This can either be done on the Quick Entry tab, where the placard is entered and then immediately appears in the Parents Waiting in Line queue, or this can be done on the Arriving Parents tab, where the placard is entered but needs to be confirmed first before the parent is considered checked in. On the Arriving Parents tab, the entry admin can review the list of approved pickups and view confirmation details like address, vehicle information, and phone number to help confirm that the correct person is authorized to pick up the students. If a parent or guardian doesn't have a placard number, then the entry admin can quickly search by the student's name using the magnifying glass icon to the left. Once parents are entered, their name will appear in the Parents Waiting in Line queue, and the students linked to that placard will appear in the inside admin's view, ready to be released. If a mistake is made and the wrong placard is entered, no problem. Simply swipe or click and drag to the left on the parent's name, then click the Remove button. This will mark the placard as not checked in and will remove the parent from the view. On the Inside Admin tab, the user will see the students' names as the placards are being entered. Students will be listed in the order that their placard was entered, with the first placards at the top and the newest placards at the bottom. This view can be filtered by grade, homeroom, pickup type, and more. In addition to seeing the student's name, the user may also see information like placard number, grade, pickup location, pickup type, and student number. Tapping or clicking on a student's row will open the parent or guardian info pop-up, which shows the approved pickups, confirmation details, and other students associated with this placard. If one of the students on the placard is absent for the day but hadn't been previously marked as absent, then the user can swipe to the left on a phone or tablet or drag to the left on a laptop or desktop and click the Mark Absent button. This will change the student's status to absent and remove them from the inside admin view. When the student is ready to be released, simply tap the Release button, which will release the student from school. The student will then be listed in history along with the details of when and who released them. This concludes the video tutorial. Thank you for choosing Nutri-Link Technologies.